What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are today, changing out our old 18x8 wheels, and we'll be adding some end keys. They're 17s. They're only 17 pounds each wheel, a little lighter. See how dry, cracked. See how cracked and dry these tires are. It's time for some new sets, and we got the new sets. So stay with me. Follow our Facebook page, Monster Squad NYC. Alright, we're back. I got one side of the wheels on the car already. I'm definitely gonna have to go more low now, cause it's not that much of a gap. People are gonna tell me it looks good, but you know me, I want my fender on wheel. Yeah. Do it by hand first.
Yeah, I'm trying to find out where the screws were. I know where the first one is, but I don't know where the last one is.
You should start with the back one first.
Yeah, that's what
If you look here, you can see it. You see this is where it goes into. This is the hole. Look at the hole. This is the hole. So you gotta put the screw in through here, then line it up so you could get it. So you gotta pull. You see how I did that? You gotta pull the bumper back as well. And then you can line it up and just do it by hand first, then you can use the tool. Alright? And don't forget, always pull the bumper with your left hand. With your left hand, come over here and pull it towards you. You see how it tightens up the gap?
Yeah.
So that's what you want to do, because I don't want that gap there. See?
Yeah.
It's called bumper slap. There's something you could, get to fix that. But right now, at least if we hold it tight and you can just put the screw in. I'll hold it here. Go ahead and look if you need to look. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Took my headlight off too because I had to replace a bulb. I'm going to go on to the next side next.
Alright, I got that one in.
Alright, you got that one in. These are my old set of wheels. If anybody wants them, hit me up. $250. Take them off my hands. That's a deal. Out here riding around on donuts, you know what I'm saying? Next, we're taking off this side. I gotta put the LED bulb in here. I have a new valve cover that's gonna be installed. It was done by Exile Auto Works. If you guys need your powder coating done, hit up Scott. He's the man to go to. Also have a new blow-off valve. Also have a new coolant reservoir that I gotta install. Got a few things coming. It's the Yankees. Yes, they're new to me, but they use some curb rash. So kind of fine. It's not that bad, the curb rash. I can have that repaired. It ain't that much to have these repaired. And I'm thinking about maybe painting them, maybe a red to go with the silver, a little red and silver theme going. But yeah, I'll get back to you once we get the other set of tires on the car. Alright, so we back. Got this side done. Already replaced the headlights. The LED bulbs that are inside. My turn signals, thanks to David. Got the back one, got one wheel to go. Like I said, these are for sale, $250. Let me know, hit me up in the comments. Be back with the finished product. Pulling out the coupe with the lock. I hit the lick with the bump. Final product, guys. What y'all think? Son's about to go play ball. I just finished. I did the cluster too, but you guys can't see the light until tonight. I can't really see nothing right now, but tonight I'll show y'all another updated video. Interior LEDs. you guys made it this far through the video, I made a short video just to give it a brief update. Hopefully I could get more consistent with this. I don't really get paid or anything because, you know, I don't post that much, but I just do this for fun. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't worry about this. This is not permanent. I have a replacement for this. It will be coming soon. I have a Mishimoto radiator coming in the works. Eventually, I'm going to get a Pope manifold, Pope downpipe. Slow and steady progress. I know I'm fighting the rust, but that's what happens here in New York. Northeast problem, salt, in the salt belt. Alright guys, thanks for watching.